All right, guys, tell me when you see me.
All right, guys, tell me when you see me. All right, guys, tell me when you see me. All right, guys, tell me when.
All right. So we're good to go. We'll start with the randoms. So the first random is for all the teams. So 1, 2, 3. You see I've random this list 3 times. Just want to make sure you're going to be able to see me. There you go. So let me copy. And the names, everyone's in there. So 1 time, 2 times, 3 times. So you see it was 30 names 3 times. And there you go. All right. Colorado Avalanche, Éric Chartier. Minnesota Wild, Sean Noble. New Jersey Devils, Sylvain Lapensée. Philadelphia Flyers, Giannis Champion. Pittsburgh Penguins, Éric Chartier. Tampa Bay Lightning, Giannis Champion. Washington Capitals, Simon D. Buffalo Sabres, Yannick Saint-Laurent. Anaheim Ducks, David Savard. Dallas, Sylvain Lapensée. Détroit, Michel Raymond. Maple Leafs, Tommy Allard. Boston Bruins, Eddie Kazmirchuk. Ottawa, Sylvain Lapensée. New York Rangers, Johan Lortie. Florida Panthers, Simon D. Calgary Flames, Johan Lortie. Montréal, Darren Cloutier. Edmonton Oilers, André Martin. St. Louis Blues, Burt Young. Carolina Hurricanes, Burt Young. San Jose Sharks, Joel Bosch. Los Angeles Kings, Kevin Singh. Vancouver Canucks, Darren Cloutier. Nashville, Eddie Kazmirchuk. New York Islanders, André Martin. Afterwards, we have Chicago Blackhawks, Kevin Singh. Sylvain Lapensée, Winnipeg Jets. Arizona Coyotes, David Abramson. And Clayton Wynn, Columbus. There you go. I will copy paste onto Facebook. Copy. All right, here we go. First box. Shining Stars, Patrice Bergeron. Vegas pack. Young Guns for the Flyers, Nick Cousins. Corey Perry Portraits. Vegas pack. Canvas Max Pacioretty. Young Gun Jean-François Berube. Another base pack. Shining Stars Blue, Evgeny Malkin. Henrik Lundqvist Portraits. Young Gun Antoine Bibeau. Base pack. So many base packs in that one. Ridiculous. Shining Stars Tyler Seguin. Young Gun Daniel Sprung. Canvas Jamie Benn. Another base pack. What's up with the base pack? Jersey of Jonathan Bernier. Young Guns for the Bruges, Jonas Kampanen. Portrait, Pavel Datsyuk. Shining Stars, Patrick Kane. Portraits, Mario Lemieux. Canvas, Jonathan Quick. Young Gun, Oscar Lindbergh. And the last pack, David Pastrnak Canvas. Well, this was bad. Second box. Young Gun Kevin Fiala. Base pack. Shining Stars Corey Perry. Yuri Udler. Young Gun Stefan Noesen. Canvas Clark MacArthur. Shining Stars Mario Lemieux. Base pack. Young Gun Colin Miller. Nicholas Backstrom, Portraits. McDavid. Told you guys. Base pack. Canvas Brendan Dubinsky. Base pack. Shining Stars, Wayne Gretzky. Portraits, Steven Stamkos. J'ai juste vérifié, Marc, il est vraiment 35. Young Gun Ronald Kinnins. Attends-moi pour manger. Canvas Sidney Crosby. Base pack. Portraits of Chris Kreider. Young Gun Joel Edmundson. Portrait Jonathan Quick. Shining Stars Jonathan Tace. And a canvas of Victor Edmond. There goes the base. I say we're going to get an exclusive in that box. Young Gun Jean-François Bérubé. Base pack. Shining Stars Pavel Datsyuk. Portraits Ryan Johansson. Same box as before, Daniel Sprong. And we're going to have the exact same box, UD Canvas, Gary Ramo. Sorry, guys. Shining Stars, Bobby Hull. Base pack. Yeah, same box, Nick Cousins. Portraits, Guy Lafleur. Told you we had an exclusive, but it's regular exclusive. Eric Johnson. Canvas Ryan Strome. Bye. Antoine Bibeau Young Gun. Antoine Bibeau. He's been recalled. Base pack. Shining Stars Johnny Gaudreau. Corey Crawford Portraits. It's the same box. Oscar Lindbergh. It was the same young guy as the first ones. Canvas of David Perron. Base pack. Jersey, Bobby Ryan. Young Gun Junis Kemppainen. Portraits Tuukka Rask. Shining Stars Philip Forsberg. And the last pack is the canvas of Ryan Kessler. All right, guys. Thank you very much. I'll be right back with Black Diamond.